Good evening everyone. Today we will be discussing about India's economic growth post-pandemic. India's economic growth post-pandemic has been a complex journey marked by resilience, innovation, and significant challenges. Here's a detailed look at the key aspects. Economic recovery and growth. 1. Initial impact and recovery. The COVID-19 pandemic initially caused a severe contraction in India's economy. In the first quarter of the fiscal year 2020-21, the GDP shrank by 24%. However, the economy rebounded strongly, with a record growth of 20.1% in the April-June quarter of 2011. This recovery was driven by looser pandemic restrictions, which allowed for more economic activity compared to the stringent nationwide lockdown in 2020. 2. Government initiatives. The Indian government implemented several measures to support economic recovery. The Atmanirbhar Bharat, Self-Reliant India, initiative aimed to boost local manufacturing and reduce dependency on imports. Financial packages were introduced to support small and medium enterprises, SMEs, which are crucial for employment and economic stability too. Sectoral performance. 1. Digital transformation. The pandemic accelerated digital adoption across various sectors. The push for digital governance transformed lives, especially in rural areas. Digital payments, online education, and telemedicine saw significant growth. The digital infrastructure, including the Unified Payments Interface, UPI, played a crucial role in this transformation. 3. 2. Manufacturing and infrastructure. The manufacturing sector showed resilience, with a focus on sectors like pharmaceuticals, electronics, and textiles. Infrastructure development also gained momentum, with projects like the National Infrastructure Pipeline, NIP, aiming to invest over $1.4 trillion by 2053. The construction of highways, railways, and urban infrastructure continued despite pandemic challenges. Challenges and disparities. 1. Uneven recovery. The recovery has been uneven, often described as K-shaped, where different sectors and income groups experienced varied recovery rates. While the stock market soared and the wealth of the middle class increased, many in the informal sector and lower income groups continued to struggle. 3. 2. Employment and unemployment. Unemployment remains a significant challenge. The pandemic led to job losses, particularly in the informal sector, which employs a large portion of the workforce. The government's focus on skill development and employment generation programs aims to address this issue, but the impact is yet to be fully realized too. Future prospects. 1. Economic projections. India's economic outlook remains optimistic. According to the International Monetary Fund, IMF, India's GDP is projected to grow by 9.5% in 2012. Analysts predict that India could become the third largest economy by 2027, surpassing Japan and Germany. 3. 2. Sustainable growth. Sustainability is a key focus for future growth. The government is prioritizing renewable energy, with ambitious targets for solar and wind energy capacity. Efforts to improve environmental sustainability and reduce carbon emissions are integral to India's long-term economic strategy too. Conclusion. India's post-pandemic economic growth is a testament to its resilience and adaptability. While significant challenges remain, particularly in terms of employment and income disparity, the country's focus on digital transformation, infrastructure development, and sustainable growth provides a strong foundation for future prosperity. The journey ahead will require continued innovation, inclusive policies, and sustained efforts to ensure that the benefits of growth reach all segments of society.